Hey everyone, welcome back to ThinkIP, where we turn your ideas into income and your knowledge into long-term value. I'm Dr. M, and today we're talking about something delicious, bakeries, and how even a small local bakery can build a portfolio of powerful intellectual property assets. That's right. Whether you're kneading sourdough at sunrise or decorating cupcakes at midnight, you're also creating valuable IP. And today, I'm going to show you how to identify it, create it, protect it, and turn it into revenue. Before we get going, please subscribe and share this episode. This will be a big help to keep this channel going. Thank you for doing so. And now, let's get baking. First things first. What intellectual property could a bakery possibly have? You might be surprised. Here are some common IP assets in a bakery business. Your bakery's name, logo, slogan, packaging design, even the color scheme. These are all brand assets. Think of Brazen Brownies with its black and gold logo and catchy tagline, "When one bite is never enough." That's trademark gold. Your secret brownie mix, your family's brioche recipe, or that unique twist you put on vegan croissants. These are trade secrets if kept confidential and give you a competitive edge. Custom cake shapes, unique pastry finishes, or even how you package a gift box. These can be protected under design rights. Your website text, blog posts, social media content, ebooks like 10 holiday cookies from Sweet Crumbs, and even that online baking course, all are copyright protected. If you've developed a custom ordering app or loyalty system, that's software IP, a big asset in today's digital food economy. Your systems for staff training, customer service, or delivery logistics might be protectable as confidential information if they're unique and documented. So, how do you know what's IP and what's not? Here's a simple 3-step audit every bakery should run. Inventory everything creative or unique. List out all recipes, brand elements, blog content, packaging, customer service processes, tech tools, anything you've created or customized. Ask, is this giving me an edge? If the answer is yes, whether it helps attract customers, build loyalty, or improve profits, it's worth looking into IP protection. Look for repetition or recognition. If customers recognize it, remember it, or share it. Like a cake design that goes viral on Instagram, it's probably an asset. Want to grow your IP portfolio? Innovate your product line. Here's how bakeries can intentionally create more intellectual property. Innovate your product line. Develop limited edition recipes, unique flavor combinations, or new formats, like gluten-free or keto lines. Keep good records and protect your best hits. Create branded content. Start a baking vlog, write an ebook, or create an email series with baking tips. All of these are copyrightable and can attract a digital following. Design experiences, develop signature packaging, create Instagram-worthy cake styles, or host baking masterclasses. These are opportunities to create memorable IP experiences. Engage your community. Run naming contests, let customers co-create new products, or highlight local collaborations. This builds goodwill and gives you IP with a story. Now comes the fun part, making money from your IP. Here's how bakeries can commercialize their IP. Franchise or license the brand. If your brand is strong, you can license it to others or create a franchise model. You retain ownership while others expand your reach. Sell branded products. Think baking kits, merch, recipe books, or signature ingredients under your name. Online courses or workshops. Package your knowledge and sell it. Teach others your baking secrets without giving away trade secrets. Collaborations and sponsorships. Partner with local coffee shops, hotels, or influencers using your brand name and designs. Exclusive licensing of recipes or designs. You can license your custom cake designs or recipes to other bakers or event planners, like licensing your designs for weddings or events. Like any valuable asset, your IP needs maintenance. Register what you can. Trademark your bakery name and logo. Consider design registration for product shapes or packaging. Don't forget to copyright your digital content. Keep secrets secret. Lock down recipe books, limit access, and use confidentiality agreements, even with long-time staff. Review regularly, conduct annual IP audits to see what's outdated, what's underused, and what can be monetized. Track ownership and agreements. Keep clear records of who created what, when, and under what terms, especially if you hire freelancers or collaborators. So, next time you walk into your bakery, don't just see flour and frosting, see assets. Intellectual assets, your brand, your recipes, your packaging, your content. It all has value, and with the right strategy, you can protect it, grow it, and profit from it. If you're excited about the potential of scaling your bakery, share with your friends and other business leaders. If you want to dive deeper in strategies to identify, create, build, protect, value, commercialize, and manage your intellectual property, go to THINKIP.au to register your interest, and I'll send you a free copy of the Think IP book. Over 450 pages of practical high-value insights, just to say thank you. Until next time, think IP, because it pays.